Oh, hey guys, it's me. Welcome back. It's me and Marmar back from another video. And today I'm shouting out this guy over here. Hello. I know it's too lighty, but shout out to him. He's the GOAT over here. Yeah. And today I'm playing Chronicle right now, and it's gonna be very awesome. I'm bad right now because I just got on already, and yeah, it's gonna be super cool because this game is so addicted and it's fun, and yeah, it's probably. And right now I'm just waiting because it's 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds. I'm just waiting. I'll try to get my other controller, but I just don't want to do it right now because I don't feel like it. Yeah. Alright, so. Okay, this time because I'm not gonna end this video because I'm not trying to die over here. Dang. See, this is why I hate snipers. No, like I don't hate snipers, just like people like have very good aim, or I feel like they're using aimbot. They just come out of nowhere and just like boom on you. Like that. But they didn't really. Yeah. Come out here, you little midget. Let's go, boys! Dang it, y'all. Yeah, well, it's gonna be super cool. Right now. I got so much skins. Let me see. Hey guys, this guy's into my account right now, but yeah, he's playing on my account because I'm letting him. Because he's the GOAT. He's that GOAT over here. See, that's the GOAT over. See, guys, that's the GOAT over here, buddy. That's the GOAT over here. Give you what? Hey, you didn't ask me. Eamon asked me, so yeah. Nope, not right now. Let me see if you got it. Let me see if you got it. Let me see. No, I don't care. Who cares about V-Bucks? Eamon, I wish if I had 800 V-Bucks, I wish I could gift you a skin, though. I'm sorry.
It's alright.
Yeah. Guys, okay, these people got. Oh, this guy's a level 47 something.
What game are you playing?
I'm playing Chronicle. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh. Dang it. I got. I might end the video around like 5 minutes, cause I gotta do something. I gotta eat, and I'm hungry right now. Damn it. Yeah, and also I'm gonna play with my cousins. And shout out to the Obey family, my favorite family all the whole time. My favorite cousins. Yeah, this guy got the Nerf going on over here. You can see. Yeah, sure. Oh, what place I was in? I was in second. Dang it! I was so close. Getting first. Huh? Oh, and what? Yeah. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video over here. Thank you guys for watching my video, and tomorrow there's Cynical. Bye.